That was like a Mortal Kombat finish.
I saw hiccups!
What,
I
Alex?
almost ace, by the way.
What did you say, Alex?
I saw hiccups.
Shut
Just-
up.
Mute your mic.
Just throat punch yourself.
Just mute your mic and we won't hear you
Punch
having
yourself in
hiccups,
the
which means you
balls.
don't have them.
Yeah. Just cut them. Just tie them up.
Just buy a gun and shoot yourself in the throat.
Just shoot yourself in the head, you won't have hiccups anymore.
Ever again.
Actually, you might still have hiccups, because hiccups are just a spasm, so you probably still have them.
Yeah, you're probably losing weight.
Yeah, you're burning
That's
more
good.
calories by hiccuping than any other activity you do throughout the year.
For the year, having this hiccup